Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki and you're watching InteriorAvatar. So today is the second episode of the series Festival Season 2020 and I have decided to do a dining table decor for this festive season. If you have not yet watched the first episode of the series, which I had dedicated it to DIYs, I will leave it in the iCards as well as in the description box so that you guys can check it out. Also, one more important thing which I would like to share is that festive decor doesn't have to be an expensive affair. You can very well achieve a festive decor look by doing some DIYs and the items which are already available at your home, which is what exactly I'm going to show you in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So for the tabletop, I will be using this beautiful printed dupatta which I had. It has got a very heavy embroidery work into it and it gives that festive vibe to achieve this look. So you can use your saris or any designer fabrics if you have, or any sort of fabric which you think gives that festive vibes, you can use it. So I'm going to put it on top of the table. At the center of the table, I am placing this wooden tray which will serve as a base for my centerpiece. Now for the centerpiece, I am using this beautiful flower arrangement and I have put it in a glass bottle. So this will serve as a centerpiece, and trust me guys, nothing can beat the charm of fresh flowers. Now this side I am placing this coaster which I had. I had two of them, so which I will be placing it here. Now here I am placing this wine glass with a votive candle holder inside with a tea light, small tea light candle. And I have given such ideas in my DIYs as well. So you can check out that video and also incorporate those ideas into this table decor. Here by the side I'm placing this cherry glass, and on top of it I'm going to place this decorative candle. Another little votive candle holder which I have, I'm going to place it here, and I have placed a tea light candle inside it. I'm going to follow the same process for this side as well. Now right at the center I'm placing these jar candles. I had these artificial flowers which I'm going to place it here because I just felt like doing it, so I'm doing it and it looks gorgeous. Now this side I'm placing the plates. Now on this side I am placing this beautiful wooden tray which I had over here, where you can keep your bowls or any other decorative items. I am keeping some small bowls which you can use for snacks, for sweets, or any sort of servings that you are making. So here I'm going to place this glass bowl which I have filled in with some dried flowers as well as some flower petals. And on top of it, I'm going to put these decorative candles. And last but not the least, I'm going to place this beautiful brass thali which I have on top of this table, just to give that a goomph to my table decor. Now let's light up the candles and see how it looks. So that is it guys for today's video. If you enjoyed it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any update from Interior Avatar. Also, if you have any suggestions or queries, do let me know in the comment section below, or you can get in touch with me in Instagram and my handle is Nikki official009. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.